Mohammed, Mheshimiwa Junet Mohammed, you are asking whether, other than Kandara, I know any other part of the country. I think in the ministry, I do not need to know any part of the country to be able to implement the policies that the ministry has developed. We have policy in place, we have strategy, reforms are in place, we have both the statutory and regulatory mechanisms, and we have very serious technical support teams in the ministry where there may be deficit or need to add, to improve, to train further. We shall do so that the designs, a lot of designs, including national master policy. I just need to sit on my desk and be taken through the national water policy and the national master plan for water. And then, therefore, I'll be able to find your constituency where it is or any other.
But is it true that you don't know anywhere else apart from Kandara? I would
be happy to go. Of course.
That was his question.
Mr. Chairman, to answer the Honorable Junet, I have traveled in all the counties in this country, both at my own free time and also during the very extensive campaigns that we did, including Junet Mohammed. I'm sure he has traveled. Mheshimiwa, I'll be able to find my way around, definitely.